All right, next file is going to talk about bisectors and midpoints. If you've gotten through the first two, you should start to be understanding the level that we have to understand this to be able to actually end up using this, and you're getting closer to being able to do that. There's this file, it's no parallel lines, and then after that, we can get into actually taking this and doing something with it in terms of equations. All right, so a bisector is something that cuts something in half. So a bisector, all right, cuts either a segment or an angle in half. And what this does is it creates two equal parts. All right, and that's the most important thing right there. It creates two equal parts. That's what we look for because that's what we can use in our equations when we get to that point. All right, the big thing is that we have to pay attention, all right, to when we cut something in half. If we cut an angle in half, so if we cut an angle in half, we should get angles. If we cut a segment in half, you get segments. All right. We've got to make sure that we understand that the segment thing isn't usually a problem. It's the angles. All right. Where we're cutting an angle in half and everyone's quick to say, all right, well, this side equals that side. And that's not what's true. If you cut an angle in half, you get a couple of angles. So here it says if DE bisects AC, then you know AC is being cut in half. It's going to be important to make sure that we pay attention to what's getting cut in half. All right, so what is getting cut in half? Okay, in this case, it's AC. So I want the two equal parts of AC. So when I go to this picture, one part is going to be AB, the other part is going to be BC. All right, those two parts right there have to be the same length. I could set them equal. Maybe I already know what the numbers are. Okay, maybe I have half in the whole thing, but whatever's going on, I have to make sure I pay attention to what is getting cut in half.